Hey guys, it's me Jaspreet. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in my today's video, I am going to create this makeup look by using only the Swiss Beauty products, which I recently bought from Amazon, and they are like totally budget friendly, and that's the reason I was so very excited to use these products. And so this is my first time use of all these products, and I'll be reviewing them in this video. Also, I'll be creating this makeup look, and yes, I have talked about these products in my Amazon video haul as well. So if in case you haven't checked it out yet, I'll just link it up here. And yes, without any further ado, let's just get into the video. So let's talk about the Swiss Beauty Ka eyeshadow palette, which is such a cute looking palette, by the way, and it has 9 different shades. All of them are in warm tones, which I totally love, because you can create any sort of look. You can create the smoky eye look, you can create the nude and subtle looking makeup looks, and it also has one metallic shade in this and one shade for the base as well. And this is in the shade 04, and the MRP for this is 229 rupees, and on Amazon I got it for 199 rupees. This packaging is such a travel friendly packaging. You can just put this in your makeup pouch and you're good to go for your travels wherever it is, and you can create quite good looks out of this one. So yes, let me just swatch these eyeshadows for you. Also, I have created this makeup look using this palette only, so I must let you guys know that the shadows pigmentations are amazing, and now it's time for you to check it out. So first I'm using this serum by Pulp to prep my skin, because skin preparation is really very important before you apply any makeup on your skin. Then I'm using this illuminating highlighter cream by Sugar to give some dewy look. This is the Maybelline Superstay Matte foundation that I'm using, and this is one of my favorite foundation as it stays for really long time. Suppose that I'm using this concealer by Maybelline again, and this is actually not the lighter tone. I should have gone for the lighter tone, but then it's okay, whatever it is, it works for my skin. It gives the even tone, and then you just have to blend in very smoothly into your skin. Make sure that it does not give you that collated view in your under eye crease. So just dab properly. Then I'm using this eyebrow pencil. This costed me 65 rupees, and it states that it is waterproof, and trust me guys, it's really good. It's quite nice, and using this pulley I'm just going to blend in properly. And always make sure that once you complete it, you have to finish your eyebrows properly. Then coming to the eyes, I'm using this shade as the base to just clean and give a nice smooth texture, so that the other eyeshadows blend in properly. You can see that this eyeshadow is so much highly pigmented. It's just that one brush, it's amazing. Then using this shade, I am going to create darker shadow into my crease line, and I'm making sure that it sets in properly. And so yes, so that it gives a proper shape to my eyes. And yes, using this blending brush, I'm blending both the shades properly so that there is no harsh line. Then going back to the shade, I am going to use this in my lower lash line, and to make it even and to make it look more beautiful. Then I'm using this metallic shade in the middle of the eyelid. Of course, you have to build the shade, but it is really very gorgeous color. You can even use this single as well. And then this is the metallic liquid eyeshadow, which is like truly amazing. It is so dense in its glitter that I totally love this one. Once that is done, I am just blending all the shadows properly so that it does not look like I've just stuck them on my eyes. And then this is the eyeliner, as everyone can see. The only drawback I feel of this eyeliner is that the brush is really very thin, and so it becomes very difficult, not exactly difficult, but it becomes very, like, you have to work a little harder to, you know, fill in the eyeliner. What I mean to say, I think you got it. Then this is the eyelash, what do we call it, as mascara. Sorry, I'm totally out of words today. I don't know why I'm fumbling, but then sorry for that. But then this is how the mascara is. It's really very beautiful, and it's waterproof as well. And if you may not know that I do not anytime buy separate contouring powders or creams. I always make sure that I am using some sort of shadow color, which, you know, blends very nicely on my skin and can be contoured. And once you contour your nose, always make sure that you clean it by using the concealer, because that will give a very pro kind of the contouring effect. And then for the blush, I'm using this Orangeola shade. This is going to give a nice peachy blush look to me, which would definitely go with this particular eyeshadow look or maybe this makeup look. And yeah, that's almost like done. And this is the lipstick shade which I am totally in love with. This is like proper wala nude shade, and it is really very nice. It's a creamy matte texture, and yes, of course, it does not stay for longer period of time, but then it's good, like saste mein aur kya chahiye. And yes, my makeup is done. How does it look? So by this we come to an end of this video. I hope you guys enjoyed this video of mine, and if you really did, please do not forget to hit that like button, and also you can let me know in the comment section below that how you like my makeup. And yes, do not forget to subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon, and you can stay connected with me on my Instagram, which is just Somaner. And yes, I'll see you in my next video. Until then, bye bye beauties.